My name is Palak Sapra. I work in Air Arabia, and I'd like to first thank you guys in Liebherr for hosting this event. It's a fantastic opportunity for us from the industry to meet, us from engineering side, to collaborate with not only the other airlines in the same region, but also to collaborate with the OEM who makes our parts and impacts our everyday job, basically.
My name is Ahmed Al-Khutani from Saudi Arabian Airlines. Feedback on my first Liebherr workshop I've attended in my career. The conference was very nice. I think it should be maybe once or twice a year, and get to know each other, find common problem areas, and try to see if there's any solutions. I've learned a lot on this workshop, and I hope to attend more in the future.
Hello, my name is Turki Bazed. I'm from FlyNAS Technical Service, electrical engineer. I would like to thank you for this opportunity and for this conference, so we can learn about other airline, what they are facing, and compare them with our own. Thank you for trying to improve and find the solution for issue we are facing.